Okay, fine, boss. Today we'll proceed for components and ready button group. Okay, create a Android application. Create an Android application for radio button group and radio button. Okay, boss. Fine. Here, this is my device. This is my device. It contains one, two, one, two, three radio buttons. Two or three radio button, guys, as per your requirements. So here is my one radio button. Okay. Next, here is my one radio button. Next, this is my second radio button. This is my third radio button. Here I'll ask one question. Based on that question, the answer will what you want to process. I want to get the value of the radio buttons. Look at here. One thing is keep your mind. If you design applications, any applications, first priority is getting the value from that view. That view may be text of any text, radio buttons, checkboxes, spinners, anything. After getting the value, what you want to process business logic, that is up to you guys. That is up to you. That we have to implement in the last class at the end of this one. That will work with the web services. If we finish our parallel classes servlets or 50% implementation of the servlet also, then we'll proceed for writing these logics with Android with the web services using Java. Okay, fine, boss. Here I will give some answers. Here I'll ask some questions to this, that do you know Android? Do you know Android? This question I want to ask. Yes. No. Maybe. Are you getting, boss? These are the answers are there. And here I'll create one submit button. And on the submit button, when you click on submit button, I want to return the value from that radio button, guys. Here is the submit. And when you click on submit, the value of these text boxes, radio buttons should be displayed in a where? In Toast, guys. Okay, let me close now. Not required to me. Or drawn is okay. Draw it fast. I'll give one more assignment to you guys. Or okay, boss. Fine. Close and don't save. Let me create one application. Application number, I think 21. File, new project. I think let me log in. It is searching some Adams on the internet. Okay, well, fine. Come on, download. One assignment I'll give today. I mean, yesterday assignment. No. Why? Boss, this is not fair. Are you practicing regular examples? Your setup is ready, man? No. What I asked you third year? विचारलं होतं तुम्हाला? Your both setup is ready? Hello, boss. Yours? Do you have laptop? Desktop? काहीच नाही का? बट ठीक आहे. You girls? काय म्हणले? AVD करत राहिले. Then about that virtualization, then downloading all the SDKs, tools and extras. We are complaining up to more than 30% of syllabus for Android, and still you are not setting the setup, boss. This is not fair, na? This is not at all fair. Then these classes are useless. Decide, boys, yourself, the girls. But okay, this is 21. Radio button group. Radio button group. Okay. Next button, minimum SDK. Next, empty activity. Next, and then finish was. It is ready. Loading. Let me go to where in my layout. There it. Here, linear layout. Close and end of the. Here is and colon and colon. Enter. Here is DTD is ready. Now layout and good parent. Next colon layout underscore width. Let me match parent and I need orientation. It is vertical. Okay, fine boss. This is more than enough. Let me text view. Just wrap the content. Width is parent. Wrap the content. Let me guess. Here is example on radio button. Example on radio button. Its size 30 dp. Next, let me add some color. Let me search for that color, whichever color is applicable to you. Red color, pinkish color. Okay, boss. And then FD2276. Then text style. So style. Let me go for it and it's ready now. Let me go for making the font height and width. Okay. This is the example view. Example on radio button. Fine boss. Next let's go radio button. Radio button. Here is the wrap content. I need IDs. This is RB1 button 1. Let me give the text. This is my S. Okay. Let's see how it appears. It is appearing here. Let me give the padding for this. Padding 20 dB. Let me check how it appears. Yeah, it is coming at here now. Okay. I want to give the padding from left up. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me implement this gravity layout gravity. Let me make it a center. Okay, boss. Fine. Let me copy and paste for other radio buttons. Okay. Let me make the color. Yes means green. Okay. Next color. Don't know all the color coding, so that's what I will go for. And I'll as per my requirement, and here I'll go is my green color. Okay. Here is my green color. Choose okay, and let me go for this. Just home. Let me go for what boss? Button. I need button 2. Here is my what? No. Here is my what boss? No. No means here I have to go for what boss? Let me go for no means red color. Okay. Next, let me go for what boss? Maybe. For maybe radio button 3. Here is the maybe. I know Android maybe I know Android. I don't know perfectly. So maybe means not green, not red. So here let me go for what? Blue. Okay. Blue. Choose okay. Fine boss. Now I okay. Button. Layout width, match parent, wrap content. Let me go for, should I go for click boss? Let me go for show, and I need text in the form of get text. submit or get text. Okay, boss, fine. Do you want any background color, foreground color? Do you want to apply on this one? If you want to apply, you can apply. Okay, fine, boss. Okay, fine. Let me go for my main activity.java. Let me close this one, this existing one. Remove. Let me work with this. Okay, here is my. Okay, let me find all those control components. Here my radio button. Just find all those control components. Radio button, radio button, yes, no, comma, MB. Okay, radio button, radio button. मी कॉलेजमध्ये आलो आहे. कॉलेजमध्ये मी हो 7 वाजता कॉलेज आलो होतं माझं. Let me search for radio group. Here is my radio group and here RG. Okay, now find this. So next let me find out all the control components. Let me find out all those control components. Here RG is equal to, let me just radio group. Okay, find u by id r dot id dot, what is the name I gave over there? Radio group. Let me find out the radio group first. Okay, here is my radio group is a wrap content control X. Let me go at last. Here is my ends with the radio group. Okay, boss, fine. Where is the radio group? Here is the radio group. Let me add the ID and necessary information for the radio group. It does not require how you want to align that orientation, that is required only. Just it needs ID. That's the main property. Now you can see here how you want to align. Okay, now let me mention that radio group here. If you want to go for orientation, you want vertical, you want horizontal. Look at here now. Can you see this one horizontal? You can go in horizontal also, or you can go in vertical also, boss. Okay, which one shall we go? Horizontal, vertical? Okay, vertical, guys. Vertical. Okay, after vertical, let me add one ID RG radio group 1, boss. Fine, this is more than enough where to align. Now you can check here. Look at here. That gravity I applied gravity for all. Sorry, single. Let me apply for all. Now this is at center. Now you can remove that gravity property from here, guys. Okay, does not required here. Fine. You can remove the gravity from all the radio buttons. Fine. Let me go to design now. This is design. Let me go to where? Main activity. Now here is my RG1. Okay, let me find out those. Yes, it's the radio button. Let me find out what was radio button. Find u by id r dot id dot rb1. Next thing, what I need here 2, what I need here 3. Here I need what was, no, it belongs to 2 na. Okay, and here maybe to 3. Okay, well, fine. Now I got all the control components. Okay, fine. What I had to do, let me override that method, on click method. Okay, wide I took show, was show view v. Okay, let me import widget dot, sorry, android dot widget dot view. Fine, boss. Let me find out, let me take that radio group id. What is my RG? Here is my RG dot get checked radio button. Get checked radio button ID. That ID will be displaying in the integer format, guys. Now based on that ID, what I will do, now this does not require to find out, guys. This does not require to find out. These are useless to me now. Okay, just only you need to find out only one. Once if I get the ID, once if I get that RB1, RB2, RB3, this does not require to me na. These are useless. If I could be able to perform by using ID, if I get the ID from that radio button, what is the need of this one, boss? Not required. Huh? Just I need a radio group. One radio group, that's it. Where is my radio group? Here is my radio group, boss. And here, not required to me. Okay, and here also I don't need radio buttons. What I will do, I will take that ID. I will take that ID and I will ask to my logic, find view by ID. Here is only ID. That's it. Based on that ID, we will search appropriate radio button. Okay, radio button is my RB. Let me typecast into radio button boss. That's it. Now here I got the ID. What is my intention now? Now I got the ID. Get the text from that ID. Okay. Here is my RB text dot to string. Understood? String. Next. Here is my name. I give the name that radio button. Now what you want to do? You can make text display in toast main active dot this comma. I will pass here name comma. Here I will pass what, boss? My length toast dot length long dot show. Fine, boss. This is the application. Now launch. Click on OK. This is running. Stay. Okay, boss. Already it started. It is building well now. For creating the epic. Now it still this launcher app is waiting for target device because target device is not ready yet. So wait for day by day strength is decreasing, boss. Why so? Huh? Even the today also I awake at 5 o'clock, but I couldn't reach at here at exactly 7. Lazy and drowsiness. Android is starting, boss. Wait. Now activity. Okay, boss. It's ready now. Fine. Example on radio button. Here, example on radio button. Select whichever radio buttons, guys. Yes or no, or maybe. Okay. Whichever. I don't know Android, boss. Submit. Yes, I know the Android. Submit. Yes, I may be aware about the Android. Okay. So get this text. I want to select the gender. So create a radio group. Okay. Male, female, transgender. And select that value from the gender radio group by using ID and send it to server. Are you getting? Fine, boss. Same way you can apply for creating whole form. Now I will give an assignment based on this. Where is that, boss? One assignment I will give you based on checkboxes such as example. Okay. This is the activity. It contains some other checkboxes. 1, 2, next 3, next what, was 4. They are the 4 checkboxes. Like an example, if I select any checkbox, suppose I am selecting this one. Suppose I am selecting this one. If I select this one, what is the label I give here? Take an example. Let me give the label for these check boxes. Here is the label for what was orange. Okay, orange. Next, here I can go for red. I can go for red. Here I can go for what was green. I can go for what was green. And here I can go for blue or violet. Regarding what I'm going to say was, I am not able to find here. Maybe what is the color is. Okay, the background color should change automatically. When you check the orange, the background color should be orange. Okay, this is the assignment for you guys. Okay, assignments. Fine, guys, do practice. In the December you will get the Android companies. I'm sure December Jan. At least three companies will be there. Now how many of you want to get select? It's up to you. Okay, my intention is to give multiple offers in your hand as a developer, because I work as a developer, so that's what I'm providing this opportunity to you. Now let me see how much you want to implement. This is based on your practice only, boss. First, core Java interview. That's what I'm asking these questions in where, boss, that group. Why I'm asking, that is the main intention, to make you aware about this one. So you should try to respond those questions, boss. Okay, they'll try to update. Means we learned 1 year back, now need not remember, forget. Brrr. This doesn't work in industry. You should be regularly update. Okay, if checked, then background should be background should be changed. Okay, boss, this is the assignment. Fine, boss. Understood? This kind of system test they will conduct, guys, for you. These I'm giving simple, but they may ask you to create one form and store in database. That database also will get last by using SQLite. Don't worry. Okay? That I cannot try in this mobile, sorry, this AVD, but I will show in physical device. Okay? Understood, boss? This is the assignment for you, tomorrow's work. Please complete, otherwise I'll fire you. It is over to you? Over, no? Okay, boss, fine.